Welcome to the Department of Cardiovascular and Pulmonary Sciences at RV College of Physiotherapy, where learning meets healing. We train future physiotherapists to treat conditions like cardiac conditions, respiratory conditions, patients who have undergone surgeries for cardiac as well as pulmonary conditions, COPD and asthma. Students at RVCP expertise in treatment like airway clearance, breathing techniques, pulmonary function testing, and even training the pulmonary vascular diseases. The patients who come to our department get screened first, then they undergo thorough assessment. After that, we understand their condition as well as their basic health. At RVCP, we believe teaching heals and healing teaches. We create future physiotherapists who are skilled and ready to make a difference in the society.